Hello, my name is Brian Nguyen, and I'm going to be introducing and demonstrating Vedas. We covered earlier that people with atypical speech patterns may have trouble using voice assistant programs. Stuttering can occur in the forms of repetition or blocks. The problem with voice assistant programs today is that they process these disfluencies very poorly. Well, this is where Vedas comes in. First, Vedas enables users to set a personalized wake word and stop word. Other voice assistants don't allow you to change these phrases, which is bad if the user is uncomfortable with them. Now let's walk through some use cases.
Hey Vedas, open my
still listening.
CSE 190 lecture Zoom meeting. Thanks Vedas.
Understood. Opening CSE 190 Zoom.
As we just saw from that scene, Vedas informs you that it's still listening to you, unlike other voice assistant programs. Also, by using a custom word, thanks Vedas, Vedas can handle stutters and pauses by holding on to the information until you say the stop word. Let's see what it looks like on the screen.
Not only does Vedas verbally tell you it's still listening, it also shows up on the UI.
Understood. Opening CSE 190 lecture Zoom meeting.
Vedas will now automatically open up the Zoom meeting. This interaction covers our design principles earlier. We saw how Vedas is responsive both visually and verbally. The UI in the voice response is simple and to the point. Lastly, the voice you heard is different from the scene before to emphasize the flexibility. As we learned in class, some people dislike certain voices, which is why we want different options. Next, we will open up an entire CSE 190 workspace verbally. Hey Vedas.
Yeah?
Open my CSE 190 workspace.
Right away. Opening CSE 190 workspace.
This clip demonstrates the conversational language we want our voice assistant to have. This gives the interaction a more natural feeling. In our last scene, we will show how we expect Vedas to utilize its AI to handle background noise.
I'm late for work. Hey V, close on my tab.
Mary, hurry up, we're gonna be late.
Sorry, I cannot hear you well right now. Move to a quieter area. Did you mean 1. Close all my tabs, or 2. Close all my tasks?
1.
Understood. Closing tabs. Sorry, I can't hear you right now. Maybe move to a quieter area. Did you mean 1. Close all my tabs, or 2. Close all my tasks? Understood. Closing all tabs and windows.
When it detects stuttering, Vedas will use machine learning to offer the best possible option to the user based on what it could correctly decipher. It also updates the user if it can't hear properly. If Vedas has any further trouble understanding, the user can use their custom N-word to ask for help another time. With these features, Vedas seeks to be an improvement of existing voice assistants as a viable option for people who stutter. Thank you.